Say good morning. Say good morning mga Shas. Kiss mami. You wanna stand up? Hindi pa nga ako tapos eh. Good morning mga Shas. So today pala mga Shas, pupunta kami sa school today. Kasi merong ano yung anak ko, merong family day. Dahil patapos na yung school for this year, meron kaming family day. And mayroon kaming kainan na magaganap doon today. Kaya pupunta kami ni Ayana and Daddy to support Ate Nicole. So naghahanda lang ako ng aking mga gagamitin mga shots. Nakapagbihis naman na kami. Okay na tong aming mga suotan. Ang hirap pag may bata. Anyway, gawin ko muna yung aming trabaho dito mga shots bago ako magdaldalan kasi baka mabutan ako ng isa. Bumili siya ng chicken. Kasi yung aming dadalhin chicken na lechong manok at saka kanin. So may kanin ako dito na ready ko na. Inaantay ko na lang yung isa na dumating. And makakaalis na kami. So babalik po kami mamaya. Yan ang giving kiss. Hi! Say hi! Ako, iba na naman nakikita ng batang ito. Bye! Wait baby, okay? Don't stand up, please. No standing. Stay there. Yeah, I know. Stay there lang. Wait, mommy. Okay, don't move. Just stay. Ako'y kinakabahan sa'yo, Ayana. I know. Gustuhin na kitang iwanan. Kinakabahan ako sa'yo. Mama, we're gonna find my socks. Whew. Kung kailan aalis, saka maghahanap ng medyas. Diba? Ang galing-galing ng mudra mo. Yeah, I know. Don't throw it away, Yana, baby, please. Don't throw it away. I know. Saan na kaya yung daddy mo? Oh, I think daddy's here. It's gonna be daddy, you think so? I think so. Wait, see? I told you. Daddy's coming. Oh no. What's wrong, babe? Christmas, baby, another slow. Good. What the what? Pretty yan na. Here they have buffet. You should pay money na lang and make a buffet. Easier. Falling line. Huh? Yan na, baby. The dragon is real. Ay, nako. Yung aming kanin hindi nabinta. Tapos na yung aming kainan. Konti lang naman yung kinain namin talaga doon. Hindi na kami nag-antay na matapos kasi naingayan yung isa sa loob. Bibiana, no? How was your experience with ate? Hindi na ako masyado kapag-video din sa loob. Oh, struggle is real. May bag, may backpack. Oh, saan pupunta daddy mo? Where are you going, Yana? Laway, tulo laway na yung Bibiana. Ha? Tulo laway. Did we find a driver? No driver yet? Patay tayo nito. Maglalakad tayo. Let's just walk all the way down there.
Easy walk. Enough walking, no? I'm putting every 12,000 steps.
And? Did you lose weight?
Of course I lost. I'm losing.
Look. Hi. Hi. Pretty. Babe, can you get the tissue wipes? Tayo, baby. Yan na. Uwi na kami. Where's daddy? Nagkabit-bit natin ng bag. Uy, ang init. Put your sunglasses on, Yana. Struggle is real. So hot. Sana ba yung ating grab? Go. Jollibee. Suhat baby yan na. Suhat na babies. Blankies. Blankies. I don't think she was going to bite herself, babe. You think so?
Where is that?
There. Oh on her arm. There's a mark. I didn't even see her biting herself.
Where?